The correlation between US stock market and also election always was interesting subject for all people who are actively in a stock market and they want to see who's going to win the election. Is there any correlation between the stock market, by the way, and US election? Is market decided who's going to win? Who's going to lose the election? In this video, we're going to talk about this. This is very, very interesting subject and I'm sure that you will like it. So just stay tuned until the end and I'm going to just release my idea who's going to win the election. All right. Before getting into this election, we need to break down the history. What happened exactly to the history, all right? So let's start with 1932, which was a Great Depression. 1929, we just dumped into Great Depression. Market, especially Dow Jones Industrial, went down substantially and lost almost more than 80% of its value, all the way for 3 years, going down to 1932. When government shift from Republican to Democrats, lots of new policies coming and just lift the market to the upside. And after 1932, we just finished the bear market or Great Depression. Although it takes lots of time, almost like getting all the way up to 1940, I believe, or 1950. I'm not sure about the chart, but it takes time to get back all the way to the high when it was at 1929. However, the shifting policy at the bottom significantly impacted the market. World War II. World War II, that was a very, very interesting subject because before or during the World War II, Democrats just for years had a power. But when Eisenhower just took the control of the admin, he just shifted the policies again in favor of financials and industrials. So market just went back up nicely and we saw a very nice rally all the way up to 1960s and 70s. So that was kind of like an interesting time when just policy shifted from Democrats to Republican. That's how market going up. So how we can make a decision based on that, based on this history? Usually, I'm saying usually or traditionally. So when market rally prior election, regardless who is in a power or who is in admin, incumbent party wins the election and challenger usually lose, and challenger usually win when market is going down prior election. There was some examples that you can see. For example, George W. Bush in 2008. So remember 2008, 2007, a Great Recession. So in that time, market tanked just before election. And when Obama just took the power, he just changed the monetary policy in favor of technology, healthcare, and different sectors actually benefited from his policy. Market shifted to the upside. Market bottom in 2009, market going all the way up to 2012, which was the next election. And if you remember, between Romney and Obama, market rally all the way up even prior election. So market expected the incumbent party wins the election. That's why there was kind of like sure and certain idea for the market that incumbent party is going to win. There is no changing in the policy, so we can just expecting more growth is coming to the stock market. Guess what? Obama stays in admin and market take off to the upside and going all the way up to 2016. If you remember on that time, 2015, 2016, there was a volatility in the market. Market went to the choppy period due to European debt crisis or something like that. And guess what? US election in 2016. Incumbent party was Democrat. Who won the election? Donald Trump, the Republican. Market surprised at the beginning, but it went up very, very fast after Trump got the power and he just changed the policies in favor of banks and he deregulated some policies. He just put lots of tax cuts and market took another rally to the upside. I should say lots of sectors got benefit, especially banks, financials, and energy as well. There was a favorite time in Trump's admin. So COVID crisis, that was another election. So COVID came just a 1 year prior election, but Trump just figured it out very, very nicely. So with that bazooka money or helicopter money, market again find a bottom during Republican admin, went all the way up. But what happened exactly 2 months before election? Market went to the choppy. Look at this chart. Yes, market just went to the choppy period. The same example like Trump won the election in 2015. So 2015, 2016, market was in choppy period, consolidation. And look at the W pattern here in 2020. So September, October 2020, market went into the choppy period. So guess what? Who won the election? Challenger. The Challenger Party was Democrat. George Biden got into the power. Right now, market is another rally. However, just last week, we got a dip. Is this a dip for a challenger victory, or this is just a normal healthy correction, and this is not the scale of like 2015 or 2020? I think it is not that challenging, but this is kind of like a heads up for the incumbent party or stock market. Just change the idea, because before last week, everyone is betting on Harris in a stock market. Right now seems like market is just going to the correction. Challenger just got the power in polls. I don't care about the polls because polls can be variable and there are lots of factors can impact the polls. But stock market seems like going to the chaos. And yes, stock market already made a decision. I think this is the time that I can release my idea. I'm not forecasting, I'm not predicting based on the purely technical analysis and chart on the stock market. I'm saying this election can go to chaos. I'm not sure who's gonna win the election ultimately, but I would say the chaos just is gonna begin this Monday. Stay tuned. We will see how it goes. What's your idea, by the way? Republicans or Democrats? Donald Trump or Kamala Harris? Just put your comment down there. I'm pretty interested to see what's your idea. Stay tuned, folks.